Hello, today we will talk about sine rule. So you have already studied about Pythagoras theorem and you have also studied about trigonometric ratios. Like whenever we talk about a Pythagoras theorem, in Pythagoras theorem, the triangle should be a right angle triangle. And then we say that if this side is C, this side is A, and this side is B. So according to Pythagoras theorem, C square is equal to A square plus B square. You have also studied about trigonometric ratios. In trigonometric ratios also, we say that if you are having a right angle triangle, then the side which is opposite to 90° will be the longest side, which we call hypotenuse. The side which is opposite to angle theta, that side is called opposite side, and the side which is adjacent to angle theta, that side is called adjacent side. And we say that sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, cos theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse, and tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. So whether we talk about Pythagoras theorem or we talk about trigonometric ratios, in both the things, the triangle is a right angle triangle, right? If you can apply this rule only if the triangle is a right angle triangle. But if the triangle aren't is a right angle triangle, right? If the triangle is not a right angle triangle, then you can use sine rule and cosine rule to find the unknown side or unknown angle of a triangle. So let's see here. Suppose you are given a triangle which is not a right angle triangle. So let's draw one triangle here. Let's say that this triangle is not a right angle triangle, right? So first of all, we will learn how to label the angles and how to label the sides. Let's say that this angle is angle A, this angle is angle B, and this angle is angle C. Now, the side which is opposite to angle A, that side we will say will have a side length small a. Similarly, the side which is opposite to angle B, we will say that the length of that side will be small b. And similarly, the side which is opposite to angle C, the length of that side is small c. So here you have to remember that angles are represented by uppercase letter and length of sides are represented by lowercase letter. So according to sine rule, the ratio of sine A over A will be equal to sine B over B is equal to sine C over C. You can also flip the fraction and you can write the same rule. So if I flip the fraction, what I will get A over sine A is equal to B over sine B is equal to C over sine C. So you can use the rule according to what is given in the question, and whether this one or this one will make your calculation easy. Now we will see some examples where we can apply sine rule. Hmm. So suppose you are given a triangle. Let's first draw the triangle. So let's say this is the given triangle. In this triangle, this angle is 36 degree, this angle is 84 degree, this angle is 36 degree, this length is x, and this length is 4 centimeter, right? What you have to do in this question, you have to find value of x, right? So according to sine rule, first of all, if I am writing angle 84, so I will write sine 84 divide by the side which is opposite to angle 84. So the side which is opposite or which is in front of angle 84 is x. You will see that the side which is in front of angle 84 or the side which is opposite to angle 84 is x. So divide by x. That will be equal to angle 36. So I will write here sine 36, and the side which is just opposite to angle 36 is having a length of 4 centimeter. So I will write here 4. Okay. So now I have to do the calculation. I have to find value of x. So what I will do, I will just use cross multiplication here. So I will say this multiplied by this will be equal to this multiplied by this. So x multiplied by sine 36 will be equal to 4 multiplied by sine 84. Right? Now, sine 36 is in the numerator. When it will go to other side, it will go in denominator. So you will get x is equal to 4 times sine 84 divide by sine 36. Now you have to use your calculator to find x. So we are given 4 multiplied by sine 84 divide by sine 36. So your answer will be 6.7679. If I will round my answer to 2 decimal places, I will get 6.77, and since this length is in centimeter, x will also be in centimeters. So this is how I can use sine rule if you are given 2 angles of a triangle and one of the side. Okay, let's take the next example. So now in the next question, again you are given a triangle which is not a right angle triangle. So you cannot use Pythagoras theorem. You cannot use the trigonometric ratios, that is sine theta, cos theta, tan theta. So I will just draw the triangle first. So here we are given this angle is 18, this angle is y, this side is 9 centimeter, and this side is 4 centimeter. What we have to do here, we have to find value of angle y. In the previous question, we have find the length of unknown side of a triangle, that was x. This time we are finding unknown angle, right? So what we will say again, that if I am taking angle y Then I have to take the side which is opposite to angle y, that is 9 centimeter. So I will say here that sine y over 9 centimeter is equal to, now if I will take angle 18, then I have to just take the side opposite to angle 18, which is 4 centimeter. So I will take sine 18 divide by 4 centimeter. Again, what I can do cross multiplication here. So this multiplied by this is equal to this multiplied by this. So I will write here 4 multiplied by sine y will be equal to 9 multiplied by sine 18. Now this 4, when it will go to other side, it will go in denominator, right? So what I will get, sine y, I will just do it here. So I will get sine y is equal to 9 times sine 18 divide by 4. Now lastly, what I can say, that when sine will go to other side, it will become sine inverse. So this is sine, it will go to other side, it will become sine inverse. So sine inverse 9 times sine 18 divide by 4. So you can use your scientific calculator to find angle y. So we have sine inverse 9 multiplied by sine 18 and then divide by 4. So I am getting 44.05, but if I will round my answer to one decimal place, I will get 44.1. So this I have rounded my answer to one decimal place. What is this? This is an angle. Angle will be in degree. So it is 44.1 degree. Now let's take one last question. So in the next question, again you are given a triangle. So in this triangle, you are given that this angle is 61 degree, then this length is 7.2, this length is 13.1, and you have to find this angle. Let's say this angle is theta, or let's say that this angle is x, right? Here what I will do, I will name this angle also, because while doing the calculation, I need angle y also, right? Now how I will write the sine rule, what I want to find? I want to find angle x. I want to find angle x, right? So first I will apply the sine rule. So I will say, if I am using angle x, but I don't know what is the side opposite to angle x, right? So right now I will not use angle x. Let's start with angle y. So this is little different question. So if I am using angle y, the side opposite to angle y is having a length of 7.2. So I will write sine y over 7.2 will be equal to, now I will use angle 61. The side which is opposite to angle 61 is 13.1. So sine 61 over 13.1. Now again what I will do, I will use the cross multiplication here. So I will just do this multiplied by this is equal to this multiplied by this. here, see, I have to find angle x, but directly using sine rule, I can't find angle x. First, I will find angle y, and with the help of that, I will find angle x. So I will write here 13.1 times sine y is equal to 7.2 times sine 61. 13.2 is in numerator. When it will go to other side, it will go in denominator. So sine y will be equal to 7.2 times sine 61 over 13.1. As I did in previous question, same way I am doing here. I will say that sine will go to other side. It will become sine inverse. So it will be sine inverse 7.2 times sine 61 over 13.1. So now I can use my calculator. This is 13.1, right? Okay. So I will just use my calculator, scientific calculator. So it is sine inverse of 7.2 times sine 61 divided by 13.1. So your answer will be 28.73. So I will round my answer to one decimal place. So it will be 28.7 degree, right? So this is my angle y, but still what I want to find angle x. So now what I will say, that sum of three angles in a triangle should be 180. So if I want to find angle x, I will just, what I will do, I will subtract 61 and 28.7 from 180. So x will be equal to 180 minus 61 plus angle y, which is 28.7. So again, you can use calculator. So 180 minus bracket 61 plus 28.7. So 180 minus 61 plus 28.7 will be 90.3. Right? So in this video, I have taken all types of questions which are related to sine rule, right? So we can continue in the next class. In that, I will explain you cosine.